Hi, my name is Vanessa Jaramillo. I'm 23 years old. I was born in Ecuador, Riobamba, but I live in Quito since I was 2 years old. I just got my degree in culinary management at the Universidad Tecnológica Equinoccial in Quito. During my career, I had the opportunity to improve my professional skills through internships and work experiences. When I started my career, I made internships at the Swiss Hotel Quito during 3 months, where I passed through different areas such as cold kitchen, hot kitchens, bakery, catering, and customer service. Furthermore, I learned about events and organization. I also worked in reputable restaurants that helped me to improve my skills in the area of service, directing, and supervising. I have traveled several times to US. There I had great experiences that have allowed me to learn a little more about the culture in your country. I have family living in New Jersey, and my uncle works as a manager in a restaurant at the Aramark company, where I met a little bit more about the process and operation in the restaurant. Currently, I work for Pizza Hut as supervisor. I manage employees in the production and service area. I really like to work there because we apply American process and standards that improve to maintain the quality in each procedure we make. It's all I can say about me. I hope my profile could fill your expectation and let me be part of this important training program. Thank you.